1. Cabinet approvals 28 May 2025. On 28 May 2025, the Union Cabinet, led by PM Modi, approved Small Blue Diamond 1.5% interest subvention under the modified scheme for FY26 to boost farm income and rural credit. Small Blue Diamond 4-lane Badvelnallur corridor in Andhra Pradesh, 108.13 kilometers, 3,653 crore rupees via DBFOT model. Small Blue Diamond MSP hike for 14 Kharif crops for 2025 to 26 to ensure better returns for farmers. To India's first AI, says 28 May 2025. India's first AI-focused CIS to come up in Nawa Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Small Blue Diamond developed by RACBank, Indore 1,000 crore rupees investment. Small Blue Diamond spread over 6 acres with 15 lakh SQ feet facility. Small Blue Diamond to host AI RAND deployment and digital OPS. Small Blue Diamond will include 4 high-density data centers with 80 megawatts capacity, powering Digital India. 3. National Waterways Expansion 26 May 2025. India to operationalize 47 new national waterways by 2027. Small Blue Diamond total target 176 waterways under Inland Waterways Authority of India, IWAI. Small Blue Diamond cargo traffic to hit 156 MTPA by FY26, aiming for 200 MTPA by 2030. Small Blue Diamond IWT network to expand from 11 states to 23 states plus 4 UTs by FY27. Small Blue Diamond meeting chaired by Minister Sarbananda Sonowal in Mumbai. 4. India's first private helicopter plant, May 2025. India's first private helicopter assembly unit to rise in Kolar, Karnataka. Small Blue Diamond by Tata Advanced Systems and Airbus to build H-125 helicopters. Small Blue Diamond operations start in 2026, 10 units here initially, with expansion planned. Small Blue Diamond, this will be Airbus' 4th FAL globally, after France, US and Brazil. Small Blue Diamond H-125, global bestseller with 80% market share, 4,300 plus units in use. Small Blue Diamond Tata Airbus also building C-95 aircraft plant in Vadodara, Gujarat. 5. Youngest Indian to complete 7 summits, May 2025. 16-year-old Vishwanath Karthikeya from Hyderabad becomes youngest Indian to complete the 7 summits challenge. Small Blue Diamond climbed the highest peaks on all 7 continents. Small Blue Diamond beat India's record held by Kamya Karthikeyan, age 17. Small Blue Diamond second youngest globally, after US's Jordan Romero, age 15. Small Blue Diamond started at age 11 with Metricton, Rudugera Trek. Small Blue Diamond conquered Everest, Denali, Aconcagua, Elbrus, Kilimanjaro, Kosciuszko and Vinson. 6. WMO Climate Report 2025 to 2029, 28 May 2025. Global temps may cross 1.5 degrees Celsius in next 5 years, warns WMO. Small Blue Diamond report projects 1.2 degree C, 1.9 degree C rise from 2025 to 2029 versus pre-industrial levels. Small Blue Diamond 80% chance 1 year will beat 2024's heat record. Small Blue Diamond urgent call for stronger climate action worldwide. Small Blue Diamond average warming 2015 to 2034 estimated at 1.44 degrees Celsius. 7. RBI Gold Loan Draft Rules, May 2025. RBI issues Gold Loan Draft Rules for banks and NBFCs. Small Blue Diamond LTV capped at 75%, 75 rupee loan for 100 rupee gold value. Small Blue Diamond earlier 80% LTV during COVID now rolled back. Small Blue Diamond gold ownership proof mandatory, receipts or borrower declaration needed. Small Blue Diamond aim, uniform norms on valuation, documentation and loan limits. 8. SBI Life and Vidyanidhi need stake buy. SBI Life and Vidyanidhi invest 1,100 crore rupees in Neat. Small Blue Diamond acquired 4.25% stake via open market. Small Blue Diamond SBI Life 1.93%, Vidyaniti 2.3% stake. Small Blue Diamond units bought at 133 rupees and 57 paise each, same as NHAI's divestment price. Small Blue Diamond Neat, an inventory IT by NHAI, 2021, under National Monetization Pipeline. Small Blue Diamond Objective, monetize infra assets, fund future growth. 9. RBI proposes KYC simplification. RBI moves to simplify KYC compliance with new draft rules. Small Blue Diamond aim, ease KYC process, reduce burden, and help low-risk users. Small Blue Diamond customers can update KYC at any branch, not just home branch. Small Blue Diamond remote KYC via video, VCIP, may be offered on request. Small Blue Diamond business correspondents, BCs, can assist in KYC for inactive accounts. Small Blue Diamond a boost for financial inclusion and smoother customer service. 10. SEBI bars IndusInd executives for insider trading. Police cars revolving light, SEBI cracks down on insider trading. On 28 May 2025, SEBI barred former IndusInd Bank CEO Sumant Katpalia and 4 top executives from market trading. Small Blue Diamond names include Arun Khurrana, Sushant Saurav, Rohan Jathana, and Anil Mako Rao. Small Blue Diamond reason, trading IndusInd Bank shares using unpublished price-sensitive information. Pushpin meanwhile, Jio BlackRock AMC gets SEBI's final nod to launch its mutual fund business. Scales a major move for market integrity and investor trust. 11. India's coal imports drop by 7.9% in FY25. In May 2025, the Ministry of Coal announced that India's coal imports fell to 243.62 million tons in FY25, down 7.9% from 264.53 million tons in FY24. This decline saved India around $7.93 billion $60,681 crore rupees in foreign exchange. The non-regulated sector, including cement, sponge iron, and captive power plants, saw the steepest drop in coal imports at 8.95%. Coal-based power generation grew by 3.04%, but coal imports for blending in thermal plants plunged 41.4%. Government initiatives like commercial coal mining and mission coking coal boosted domestic coal output by 5%, reducing India's dependence on imports. 12. Sadhguru honored as Global Indian of the Year 2025 by Canada India Foundation. In May 2025, spiritual leader and Isha Foundation founder Jagdish Jaggi Vasudev, popularly known as Sadhguru, was awarded the prestigious Global Indian of the Year 2025 by the Canada India Foundation, CIF, in Toronto. The award, presented by CIF chairperson Ritesh Malik and national convener Sunita Vyas, recognizes outstanding Indians making a global impact. Along with the honor, Sadhguru received a 50,000 Canadian dollars cash prize, which he dedicated to his Kaveri Calling initiative, aimed at revitalizing the Kaveri River and supporting 84 million people in southern India. This award highlights Sadhguru's lifelong dedication to elevating human consciousness and ecological sustainability through his Conscious Planet movement. Sadhguru has been teaching yoga since 1982 and established the Isha Foundation in 1992 in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Notable past recipients of this award include Ratan Tata, Narayana Murthy, and Sudha Murthy. 13. Anil Kumbale appointed as Forest and Wildlife Ambassador of Karnataka. On 27 May 2025, former cricketer Anil Kumbale was named the brand ambassador for the Karnataka Forest and Wildlife Department. His role is to raise public awareness about forest conservation, tree preservation, and wildlife protection. The announcement was made by Eshwar B. Khande, Karnataka's Minister of Forest, Ecology and Environment. Kumbale has previously served as the Vice President of the Karnataka Wildlife Board, bringing valuable experience to this new role. 14. Google unveils AI Matryoshka, an AI-first strategy focusing on intelligence and privacy. May 2025, California, USA. At the Google I/O Developers Conference 2025, Google LLC introduced AI mode in Google Search provides deeply cited, context-rich results. Gemini app allows private data analysis, raising important privacy considerations. This AI-first approach aims to revolutionize user, developer, and enterprise experiences by embedding powerful AI capabilities at every level while emphasizing privacy and content authenticity. 15. PepsiCo joins as official partner of Formula One. May 2025, New York, USA. PepsiCo has signed a partnership agreement with Formula One, F1, based in London, UK, to collaborate until 2030. This partnership focuses on enhancing fan engagement through innovative on-pack promotions, digital experiences, and exclusive content. Key details. Sting Energy, Heckmondwike, England, a PepsiCo beverage brand, will become the official energy drink of F1. Gatorade, Illinois, USA, PepsiCo's global sports and isotonic drinks brand, will be the official partner of F1 Sprint, supporting peak athletic performance. Doritos, Texas, USA, a PepsiCo subsidiary, will serve as the official savory snack partner of F1. This partnership aligns PepsiCo's brands with the high-energy, competitive spirit of Formula One racing and aims to create engaging experiences for fans worldwide. 16. India to host 2026 Asian Weightlifting Championships after 44 years. 28 May 2025. The Asian Weightlifting Federation, AWF, announced that Ahmedabad, Gujarat will host the 2026 Asian Weightlifting Championships from April 1 to 10, 2026. This marks India's return as host of the prestigious continental event after 44 years, the last time being during the 1982 Asian Games in New Delhi. The event will be organized by the Indian Weightlifting Federation, IWLF, under the AWF's aegis. India was awarded the hosting rights in 2024 at the AWF Annual Congress held in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. The 2026 tournament will be the first Asian Championships conducted under the new weight categories introduced by the International Weightlifting Federation, IWF, based in Lausanne, Switzerland. 17. International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers, 29 May 2025. Observed annually on 29 May to honor the professionalism, dedication, and courage of UN peacekeeping personnel and to remember those who sacrificed their lives for peace. 2025 marks the 77th anniversary of the UN peacekeeping mission. The theme for 2025 is The Future of Peacekeeping, highlighting the importance of adaptive strategies to address modern challenges in peacekeeping operations. Background. The UN General Assembly adopted Resolution A-RAISE 57/129 in 2002, proclaiming 29 May as the International Day of UN Peacekeepers. The first UN peacekeeping mission, UNSO, started operations in Palestine on 29 May 1948. The first International Day of UN Peacekeepers was observed on 29 May 2003. India's contribution. India is the fourth largest contributor of uniformed personnel to UN peacekeeping missions, with over 5,300 military and police personnel deployed in missions like Abyei and the Central African Republic. 18. World Digestive Health Day 2025, 29 May. Observed annually on 29 May to raise global awareness about digestive health and promote prevention of gastrointestinal (GI) disorders. Initiated by the World Gastroenterology Organization, WGO, it educates the public on maintaining a healthy digestive system. Theme for 2025. Your digestive health, nourish to flourish. This emphasizes the importance of proper nutrition, hydration, and mindful eating to support gut health and overall well-being. Background. WGO was founded on 29 May 1958 during the First World Congress of Gastroenterology in Washington, USA. World Digestive Health Day was first observed in 2004, marking WGO's 45th anniversary. What is gastroenterology? The branch of medicine studying the normal function and diseases of the digestive organs, including the esophagus, stomach, intestines, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and bile ducts. It covers conditions like colon polyps and cancer, hepatitis, gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD), peptic ulcers, colitis, gallbladder diseases, nutritional disorders, irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), pancreatitis, global digestive disease burden. Around 40% of the global population suffers from functional GI disorders, WHO. Colorectal cancer is the third most common cancer worldwide. India-specific facts. IBS prevalence is around 10 to 15%. Gastric cancer is most prevalent in the northeastern states. 19. International Everest Day 2025 29th May. Observed annually on 29th May worldwide to commemorate the first successful summit of Mount Everest in 1953 by Sir Edmund Hillary, New Zealand, and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa, Nepal. 29th May 2025 marks the 72nd anniversary of this historic achievement. Nepal officially declared 29th May as International Everest Day in 2008 after the passing of Sir Edmund Hillary. Mount Everest, situated on the Nepal-Tibet border in the Himalayas, is the highest mountain